With the increased complexity of the manufacturing environment, it's become much, much harder to figure out how to troubleshoot issues. We take a lot of the guesswork out of that. A lot of people have put sensors on their equipment in the hopes that they would be able to someday get better efficiencies out of these things. That's where the AI comes in. Noodle can help take that data from those sensors and actually create value from it. We can make predictions about what will happen in the future in regards to quality, in regards to downtime, in regards to your production plan, and allow you to take action much earlier on.
Many of our clients want our asset health predictions to feed directly back into their own systems, giving operators a warning if a piece of equipment is likely to fail. We also offer a UI to our customers that helps prioritize these downtime events. If we look at our home screen here, we have every one of our pieces of the steel mill here separated by value at risk. We take into account things like lost sales, cost of maintenance, cost of parts. We multiply that by, say, the number of hours that the piece of equipment will be down, and we can prioritize all of the potential anomalous failures that we see coming. In this case, we've got $212,000 value at risk, 8 risks predicted. The next risk is in the next 18 hours. And so if I'm a maintenance manager and I'm looking across the entire mill, I can see that the caster is the place I want to focus. I can see that the severity is critical and the probability of failure is 78%. I'd like to understand why you've given me this prediction. I can scroll down, and starting at noon yesterday, there were some critical anomalies detected on the vibration sensor and the speed sensor specifically. Noodle is now predicting that my piece of equipment will fail in the next 4 days. Now I know that I should service it tomorrow, and I can see right in my application that George Miller could be assigned to this task, and he can service it starting tomorrow morning on his shift at 8 a.m. I can hit assign, and it'll automatically populate in my maintenance schedule that George is now assigned to service this asset at the time and place that's required in order to prevent this downtime event.
AI gives experts new insights, and it gives people who are not experts the ability to become or act like experts very quickly. AI really can make a step change where people were only making very, very tiny gains for many years.